Last video for today. So I'm just going to talk about word problems here quickly. Let me flip this thing around. And in the word problems, you really just have to decide whether you're finding area or perimeter, and then either add up all the sides or use the formulas again, like we talked about before. So in this first one here, Clarence needs to glue a string around the border of his rectangular piece of artwork. So the fact that it says around the border of his rectangular piece of artwork clearly indicates perimeter. If the artwork is 13 inches by 18 inches, how much string will he need? So once again, you'd have to add up all the sides, and you got 13 plus 13 plus 18 plus 18. Now, I don't know what that is. 26 plus 36, 62 maybe? 62 inches. In the next one, Kendra needs to put a border along the width of her rectangular sign. So she got a rectangular sign she's making, I guess. And the perimeter of her sign is 9 feet. So here they give you the perimeter. The perimeter is 9 feet. And the height of her sign is 2.5. I'm not sure my diagram is drawn to scale here. So I have to add up all the sides. Well, if the height is 2.5, then that means, let me squeeze in here, that other height is 9 or 2.5. So 9 equals 2.5, and 2.5 is 5 plus like this width and this width right here. So that would be plus 2W. 2 of the widths, because that's what we have left over. And if we subtract 5 from both sides, you have 4 equals 2W, and you can already start to see that W is going to be equal to 2 feet. So in the first one, we had to find the perimeter. In the second one, we had to find one of the dimensions. And this last one over here, Richard is creating a rectangular garden that has a length of 18 feet. He needs an area. Oh, it's an area question. An area of 81 feet squared to accommodate all his plants. Because I'm sure many of your parents at this time are starting these gardens that we've never done before, having all this time. How wide does this garden need to be? So we have to figure out that width. And if you remember the formula, you have to use formulas for area. The formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. And we're given the area of 81 and a length of 18W. So you're going to have to divide that by 18, divide that by 18. W equals 4.5, maybe? 4.5. 4.5 feet, because it is in fact a width, not an area. That's it for today. There's lots of videos out there. Watch what you need to. Just be careful. Your homework's the go formative. Pay attention to the perpendicular height and base of a triangle. Are you finding area? Are you finding length? Are you finding width? Are you finding the base? Just be aware and pay attention to the details. I hope the rest of your day goes well, and we'll catch up with you on Thursday.